Programming a robot for FIRST Robotics Competition and have an FRC code file? This contains code for student-built competition robots. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these FIRST Robotics Competition code files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest FRC cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. An FRC file contains source code, typically Java or C++, for robots in the FIRST Robotics Competition. Students and mentors search for these files to program robot functions, manage project dependencies using WPILib, and collaborate on code before deploying it to their competition robot's control system. This is a plain text file. The FRC extension itself does not define the internal structure, but acts as a project marker within the FRC development environment, e.g., Visual Studio Code with WPILib. The simple text-based design ensures maximum compatibility with code editors and version control systems like Git. The reference software for validating FRC integrity is Visual Studio Code from Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot validate the meaning of the data, so incorrect edits can cause issues. Windows does not execute scripts automatically, so they must be run through a supported runtime or shell. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your FRC file and select Open With. Test Visual Studio Code if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. When your FRC file does not open, it is usually a small issue. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, opening in WPILib VS Code. Install the WPIlib VS Code installer from FIRST Robotics, which provides a complete FRC development environment. Open the FRC file in VS Code with WPIlib extensions activated. The IDE provides syntax highlighting code completion and integrated robot deployment tools for competition development. Next, using LabVIEW. If the FRC file contains LabVIEW code, install LabVIEW for FRC from National Instruments. The graphical programming environment opens FRC LabVIEW files showing wire-based code blocks. Edit and deploy the code to your FRC robot's RoboRio controller for competition use. Finally, deploying to RoboRio. Connect to your robot's RoboRio controller via USB or Ethernet. Use WPILib build tools to compile FRC code and deploy to the robot. The deployment process handles dependency management and code transfer, enabling immediate testing of code changes during practice and competition events. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.